Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Green. I am one of the founders of the Metavisionaries and the former NASA chief scientist. I've spent my career exploring the frontiers of space and also technologies. Today, I'll guide you through the Space and Generative AI Internship Program. This program is designed to inspire and empower your generation. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to explore space and work with the most powerful AI tools of our time? Well, that's exactly what this program is all about. Our program is designed for the curious minds between the ages of 11 and 14. It brings together two exciting worlds: space exploration and artificial intelligence. Instead of only learning theory, all our students dive into fascinating space-related topics, from planetary systems to future space missions. They all have hands-on AI experiences, using today's advanced tools to build projects that utilize AI voice agents, interactive web pages, and they create videos and media about any topic. The focus is not just using AI, but on understanding how it integrates into your life and your future. Here's where it gets really exciting. Classes take place in the metaverse. This is a virtual reality environment for which students step into an immersive environment where they can learn and feel like they're exploring new areas, new things. Things like they have the opportunity to walk on the surface of Mars and the Moon, or even asteroids. We will see how space experiments unfold in virtual reality. But it's not just learning about space, it's living it in a way the textbooks can't teach. By the end of the program, all our students will gain new knowledge and skills. They will have a strong overview of the space science missions, and they will practice AI skills that are highly relevant today. But more importantly, they will experience what it is like to be a creator and an explorer. We want them to be ready to ask bold questions and build new future solutions. The Space and Generative AI Internship Program isn't just a course. It's a launch pad for the young students, and I look forward to seeing you all in the metaverse, and we will find out where that journey will take us. Thank you very much.